back. We're still in isolation.
Oh my God. We've been in isolation for 8 weeks and we just had it extended by another 2 to 4 weeks. So probably 3 months. And it's already turning into spring. I've just been outdoors and it's getting so nice, but we can't even leave our bubble.
No, we can't. We need haircuts. There's so much that we need to do. It's just like...
We're over it.
Damn you, Melbourne.
But while we're out and about today, we thought, hey, let's try and give each other
a haircut.
We're not hairdressers, we're far from it, but this is going to be fun. If we screw it up, then at least we're not going back into the office at work until next year, so we've got time to grow it all out and get it back to normal.
Do you remember last time that we tried to colour my hair?
Oh yeah.
How bad that went?
I'm going to put a picture right here of how it looks.
It's terrible. Oh my God.
And Andre wanted me to do his eyebrows the other day and I actually went and cut half of his eyebrow off.
Hopefully you can't notice. Hopefully my glasses are blocking it.
But yeah, enjoy it. Look, my hair comes all the way down to here and I haven't had it this long in years, so I'm kind of well overdue for it.
We could kind of like dread your hair, the front of it.
We could do little ponytails.
Yeah, you could.
Maybe we'll experiment with a few different styles during this video. But he's going to dye his hair.
Yep. I haven't dyed my hair since probably 2017, maybe? A few years ago.
And what colour? Are you going blonde?
No, I'm actually going a different colour this time. I'm going to go brown. I've never been brown. So, a dark brown.
Look at all these white ones that he's got going all the way through here, so they're all going to disappear.
Part of aging. What are you talking about? Shave them all off. No one needs to know that I'm going grey.
Well, enjoy. Give us a good old thumbs up if you enjoy this video. Click on that subscribe button and let's see how tragic this turns out.
I'm scared.
Andre?
Yes.
What are you doing?
Learning.
Oh my God, he's actually Googling how to cut your hair.
Well, from my past experience and your past experience, this is not going to go well.
Oh God.
What you doing?
I've got lots of different hairstyles at the moment. I can do the swoosh and flick. But check this out. Like, this is the longest I've ever had my hair.
Does it touch your nose?
Oh my God. See, I could do the part in between look.
You look like me back in New Zealand.
Oh. Could do the sexy hair.
Or you could do the comb over.
Comb over is when you're bald, isn't it?
Or you could do the slick back look.
Do that look.
You look like a 90s boy band member.
Just need to lose the chin. I could just do the style that I've been doing while I've been in lockdown, which is kind of like just a
slick back look.
Yeah. The whole.
Interesting. So what style are you going to go for once you're finished?
Shaggy dog.
The shaggy dog style?
The shaggy wet dog look.
The shaggy dog style.
Yeah. I could bring it all forward.
Why don't you do an emo side fringe?
Oh, okay.
Do the emo side fringe. We'll dress you in some black clothes. We should make you an e-boy.
E-boy?
You want to go in an e-boy?
Oh, I don't know.
No.
But let's see what I look like with ponytails.
Okay.
Yeah.
My God, look how bad my hair is. Dear, oh dear, oh dear. What you doing?
I was coming to see what you were doing in the mirror.
I was just like showing people my terrible hair. Oh, it's so big, it's so thick, it's so fluffy.
Hello there, how are you?
I'm terrified.
Welcome to my salon.
Thank you. How many years of experience have you done?
Well, I've done 2 minutes of experience and I've watched 5 minutes on YouTube. So I think I'm qualified.
Okay.
Yeah, do you trust me?
I've got no choice. I need a haircut. I can't survive another 6 weeks of lockdown before hairdressers reopen.
So what are we doing for you today, Mr. Andre?
I think we should do a number 3 around the sides.
Number 3 around the sides.
Shave off these stupid sideburns that are just terrible.
Look at that.
I know. And then maybe take a bit of length off the top.
Alright. We'll see how we go.
Alright, good luck.
How do you work these things? Alright, here we go.
Is it charged?
Semi-charged.
Better?
How do you rate this, everybody? Comment down below.
I think it's alright. Your thoughts?
Did I do okay?
I think so, looking at it.
Yeah. Be interesting when we go into the hair salon and they say, who the hell cut your hair?
I know. Looks better though, yeah?
Yeah.
So much better. Oh.
So Andre's going to wait for it to dry while he does my hair, and then he's going to dye it.
Okay. Welcome to Andre's barbershop. Oh. Are you nervous? I'm nervous.
Yeah, I am nervous.
What do you want done?
Well, I'll put my cape on.
Oh yeah. It took me 2 minutes to even work out how to put the
Oh god.
Alright. Let's see how this goes.
ISO cut. My very first ISO cut.
This be interesting.
It will be interesting. Alright, Mr. Hairdresser, can you please do the number 3 right up to my line?
Up to your line? Okay.
And around, and then we'll pause and we'll see how bad it is.
Alright, head down. Let's go.
Down.
You nervous? Yes.
Don't you have to give me water? God, I have to tell him what to do. He's supposed to be a professional hairdresser. Yeah, I think you need one of these.
Thanks.
Far out. Oh, you just stabbed me.
I'm sorry.
Alright, we're gonna have to take a break because the clippers have just died.
Oh, they officially died. Charger?
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
While the clippers are charging,
We're gonna colour my hair.
and Andre is going 5-1, cool light brown.
Never been brown before, so my shorts gone.
It's gonna get rid of the whiteys.
It'd be interesting to see what I look like with brown.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's dye my hair.
I haven't done this in a long time. Oh, and I can remember how wrong.
Stinks. Crap.
How are we looking? Look. Oh yeah.
I think it's coming alright.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah. I think it looks alright.
Ta-da! Alright,
Let's finish me off.
so I did all round here, and it looks alright. I think I'll do this side, I'll go up to your line up here, and then I might just kind of like blend it at the back here.
Let's see how far we can go until this
Thing goes flat again.
it's had about half an hour charge.
Alright, let's go.
Ta-da! Oh, look at our hair.
I know, did we do a good job?
I think we did a pretty darn good job considering we're not
I've
hairdressers.
never cut anyone's hair ever before in my life, so I think,
See, look, he got it nice and short for me on the side. He undercut it, and
yeah, I didn't
Yeah.
take anything off the top, but I think I did alright
Yeah.
on the side.
Andre's gone light brown. Is it light brown?
Yeah, it was a light cool brown, I think it
Yeah, it's come out really well. It looks really good under
Sunlight.
real good light. So
Yeah.
you've probably seen that before, but we did it!
was. Yay!
COVID haircuts, tick!
Yay!
I think that's something off our bucket list. So
God.
yeah. Well, we hope you liked. Thanks for watching. Just to let you know that we are working on some new AD VTR gear.
Yes, very exciting. I can't wait to show you guys.
We're exploring with different colours, different materials. We're going to look at embroidery,
Yeah.
iron-on, screen printing, and all sorts of different bits and pieces. So
Lots
keep
of
an eye
things
out.
coming, so watch this space. Yep, absolutely.
But please give us a good old
Thumbs up,
thumbs up. Click on that
subscribe button.
and ring that.
Bell!
I think you're going to slap something there for a
Yeah,
minute.
I want to slap the bell. Slap that bell button.
We will see you all
Next
next time. Bye.